a while.
VR looking clean, looking real good with this new Windbooster. It's a great product. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you Windbooster for sending me this product to review for you guys. I think you guys will be interested in this. So this is the Windbooster GT. It has a Bluetooth app which you get to control 10 different driving modes and a screen with the M button controlling all the modes. It has Eco mode, Sport mode, Sport Plus mode, Race mode, Auto mode, Anti-slip mode, Valet mode, Drag mode, and Lock mode. It's a very good product. Here is what's in the box. And it's very easy to install as well. Connects right to your car. And here's the instruction manual. To install it, it's very simple. We are going to be installing this on the Range Rover Sport SVR today, and let's see what I think of this product. Stay tuned. So we just installed the Windbooster GT onto the Range Rover Sport SVR. It was a very easy install. It goes on the pedal. And yeah, it actually changes the car a lot. So much more sensitive to the throttle now, and it actually just feels so much faster, so much more responsive now. We got a lot of different modes on it too. I usually like to keep it in sport mode because, you know, just daily driving wise. So we got Sport, Sport Plus, Race, Drag mode, Auto. I like to keep it in. Valet mode is very slow. A-slip, Econ, normal. Normal's back to stock. Sport. I like to keep it in sport mode. But it really does awaken the car a lot. It actually feels like a completely different car with this device installed. Thank you Windbooster for sending me this product to review. And yeah, let's get on the road now. Test it in action. And there it is, the Windbooster. And from my knowledge, this is not supposed to avoid any warranties on your car. I don't get any check engine lights, nothing, so. What's up guys, we're in the car now. We're starting off in normal mode, which is supposed to be stock, pretty much. Yep, feels stock. So even if you don't want it on all the time, you have normal mode. So you can put it back to stock the way the throttle response is in stock mode. So let's put it in sport mode. Just press the M button, sport mode. I already noticed the car's picking up a lot faster. Have to give it a lot less throttle, just more responsive. And I like to use this mode for everyday driving. And this is a 5-liter V8 supercharged Range Rover Sport SVR, 575 horsepower. Now let's hit the gas a little bit more. Yeah, it's very responsive like this. It really wakes up the car. little traffic. We're gonna try Sport Plus mode soon now. But I've had the product for a little over, I would say, 2 weeks now. I really want to give a good review, so it's a great product actually. I've been using it every day in sport mode. Sport Plus, when I hit the highway, I want to get that acceleration. But for everyday driving, I really like Sport. It's just a little bit more than normal, so it's not too crazy. Sport Plus is, you know, good for when you're getting ready to race or something. I don't know. But race mode is like really just crazy. The car, as soon as you hit the gas, it flies. It's just crazy. It literally jumps. So now we're in Sport Plus mode. Yeah, it really picks up. No, it's a great product for the money. I really like it a lot. I'm surprised, I didn't get one earlier. So I've always thought about these throttle controllers, I was always skeptical of them, that they weren't going to really do much, but this product actually really wakens up this Range Rover. So I'm very satisfied with the product. Definitely worth the money. The shifting too feels better. The car shifts better. I don't know if it's supposed to change the shifting. It remaps the throttle where the car feels a lot faster. So makes the car pick up much better. Especially for a car like this. This is more of a luxury car, so the mapping on the throttle is not going to be that aggressive. So if you want to make a more luxury car more aggressive with the throttle response, you're definitely going to need something like this. Okay, let's put it in race mode. Oh shit. Yeah, this is like just crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely race mode. Like, the car feels a lot faster than this. God. Yeah, you guys have to like experience this. It's just for the money. It's crazy. I'm barely touching the throttle. I'm just launching the car. It's going so fast. Okay, let's put it in the next mode. Drag race mode. Okay. So this is gonna be pretty brutal, I assume. I'm not gonna hit it too hard. I hit it very little and it just picks up. Let's see. Oh fuck! Oh my god! Okay, guys, this is crazy. This is a little too much now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, let's put it back to sport mode now. So overall, I'm very satisfied with this product. I've had it for a little over 2 weeks. Windbooster, thank you for sending me this product to review, and I have a code link in the description if you want to save 10% on the product and help support the channel with my code and my link. So thanks for watching. Make more stuff in the future, so subscribe. So I installed it right here, and I ran the line right here underneath. It comes with an adhesive sticker. You could pretty much put it anywhere. I've always been pretty skeptical of these throttle controller products, but honestly, with the Windbooster, it awakens this car amazingly, actually. I'm so satisfied with this product. For under $200, you could get into this. Even cheaper, maybe $100 for the more basic models with less modes. But I'm very satisfied with this Windbooster. Definitely worth the money. A very good mod for the price, especially if you have a turbocharged car and you have like more of a delay. This car actually awakens it. The throttle response is just so much better. And this Range Rover is supercharged. It's a 5-liter V8 supercharged, and it wakens it up so much. I'm actually really surprised. So it's a great product for anyone wanting to start modding your cars or feels their car is sluggish, which I always felt this car was a little sluggish, especially in comfort mode. But with this product here, it fixes all those problems. I like to stay in sport mode for daily driving, but Sport Plus, really, like when it kicks in, it's like crazy. Like you just hit it a little bit, all of a sudden you're like pushed back. It's crazy. Great product though. Goes around underneath the car here. Very simple installation. If you guys want, I could make an installation video on it. It actually really changes the car.